Hi, welcome to High Energy, No Pressure Selling, how to increase sales and reduce stress. One of the things that's critical, a lot of people don't think about it, especially in the sales world, is what is your energy? What are you feeling before you go on the appointment or make the presentation? Whether it's live, it could be Zoom, on the phone, whatever it is. How do you feel before you do it? Now, many people, they get very caught up in the technical pieces. In other words, what am I going to say? Do I have my slides or my folders or whatever it is that I'm doing? That's fine. Obviously, it's part of the sales process. We want to make sure we have all our stuff and we want to make sure that we're prepared. But we don't spend enough time thinking about what is it that I'm feeling? What is the energy that I'm sending out there before I go? So here's how I want you to think about it. Your energy goes out, and you actually send that energy to the prospect before you get there. So I want you to understand this. In the world of energy, there is no block, there is no geography, there's nothing. There's just emotion and energy. We're feeling each other's vibration. We're feeling how we feel. So how do I feel before I go do this presentation? What's going on with me? I'm sending that energy over to them. Before I even got there, there's a vibration of energy that's arriving before me. If you feel fearful, if you feel nervous, if you feel unworthy, if you feel you can't get the price, whatever it is that's going on inside of you, that is going to translate over and transfer over to them. So be aware of what you feel before you present, because it has a tremendous impact on the results. Don't just think about the execution, which of course is important. The energy is just as important, if not more so. I'll see you next time. Go to highenergychannel.com and subscribe to see more videos. See you soon.